In this video, I'll show you how to create build and grow animation in Canva. Open Canva and create a new video project. Drag and drop your image onto the canvas. Resize your image to fill the entire page. Click Edit and select the Magic Grab tool. Select the object you want to highlight by clicking, then click Grab. Next, apply animation by going to the Animate tab. Choose the baseline animation and decrease the speed for a dramatic effect. Now, add your text by going to the Text tab and clicking Add a heading. Type your message and customize the font and color. To enhance the text appearance, add a left shadow effect for depth and adjust the shadow intensity. Animate your text by selecting the baseline animation and changing the direction as needed. Reduce the speed to match the image animation. Adjust when the text appears to sync with your animation. Finally, preview and export your animated creation.